Hi guys, my office here in basement is starting to look a little like office. As you can see, I will show you. Here is the extra ventilation. Here is the ventilation for I don't know, something maybe if I will do here on the table, to take the smoke or something. Yeah, I have some shelves. And what I'm doing now, I'm building another shelf, so I will show you guys. This is already preparation for the spring, so stay tuned guys and look for the updates regarding this one. I will make some shorts. Yeah, but basically office, it's not small, it's not big. As you see, there is plenty of space. Here I'm planning to make the table like corner table with the screens for the computer and computer itself. Also server will stay here somewhere. Here I'm planning to have like two row of shelves. As you see, is the first, this will be the second. Yeah, I think it's a lot of time, a lot of sorry, I step on the metal on the floor, but here is plenty of space to move around. But I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe I will connect those to the wall, or maybe not, it's not high. Yeah, I still need to put this one to the floor, to the wall. I think it will be here in the corner. I will connect like that, so this will make like little better acoustic here down. What else I have here? Here is the cable, it's internet cable, RJ45 patch cord. Of course, not yet made it. I just paint the wall, so and prepare everything. But basically, it will go like this: here down, here, 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 and here will be the plug, I think. Yeah, I need to rethink this one, because if I want to have these shelves, or maybe I will put the shelves there and here on this wall, and here will be the free space. So I will see. I will see when I will finish. But stay tuned guys, because this one is something cool. I think you will be able to adapt for yourself. It's very small money what I will create, but I think it will looks really good. I don't have yet all materials for this, but almost everything. Only the electricity, it will be the problem here, but no worries, I will make something. Yeah, I don't have electricity on this wall here. On this wall there is no electricity, because I was not aware that I will need it, and basically right now I don't have the place from where I can take it, but I'm thinking to adapt this one socket, and I will just go down with cable around there, and I will put there the electricity. I'm not showing you the other part of the basement guys, because it's like very messy right now and still not clean. I don't have much time to do this, a lot of work, that's why also the video are not showing so recently, but I will try to make it better this year and make a little more around the garden. This year maybe there will be no travel to the Philippines. We will see how this will looks like, what will happen. Yep, and basically that's all for now.
it's only short introduction that some new project is coming, really cool project. So stay tuned guys, and yeah, welcome in my channel.